Hey everyone, my name is Josh with Chandler Truck Accessories. Today we're going to be doing an install of our Topside toolbox. Using the provided rubber strips, place them where you intend to mount your toolbox. The next thing you're going to want to do is get the box placed up on the bed rails. Once you find the desired install location, we can go on to the next step. The next step of this install, we're going to be installing the J-hooks. If you have a friend around, have them help you out. You're going to be using a 5/16 drill bit to drill out a hole for the J-hook bolt. The recommended location is between 7 and 10 inches inward from the front or back of the box. So this would be a desired location. We already have a 5/16 drill bit hole drilled. If you don't, just make your location. Going from the inside of the toolbox, put the J-hook bolt down and take the J-hook and thread it onto the bolt. On the inside of the toolbox, using a 1/2 inch wrench, tighten down the J-hook bolt. Once you've tightened this side down, replicate this on the other side using your 7 to 10 inch spacing. The next step in the process is going to be to install the kicker brackets onto the bottom of the Topside toolbox. The first thing you're going to want to do is connect the A bracket to the B bracket using the bolt provided. And don't yet tighten the lock nut to the end of the bolt. The next thing you want to do is take the C bracket to the D bracket, slide the bolt through once again, and also don't tighten the end with a lock nut yet. We're also just going to set one bolt through for the time being, just so we can get through the install process. Hold the bracket to the bottom of the toolbox, mark your holes that you're going to drill out, drill them out, and then put your screws in, tighten everything up. The next thing you're going to want to do is tighten up the self-tapping screws into the bed, and then using the provided hardware, put the nuts and the washers on and tighten them up. If at any point you need to adjust the bracket for more stability, you are given multiple options to do so. And that'll do it for the install of our Chandler Truck Accessories Topside toolbox. If you have any other questions, visit us at chandlertruckaccessories.com.